Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinons YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how we can make a time delay in Python. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So if you do not have any idea about this, the Python library has something called as the time method, which allows us to extensively play around with the time functions and its implementations. So for that, we need to import it. So all we need to do is say import time, and it's already pre-installed when we install the Python documentation as well as the extension files. So you do not need to run it using any pip commands or whatsoever. And now all you need to do is say time dot sleep, and within the arguments you need to type in the time as in seconds with an argument. So let me type in 4, and if I run this program, as you can see on the output window, there's nothing really happening for 4 seconds, and then you can see here it says finished in 4.3 seconds. So this was something average or something approximate to 4 seconds. That is how the time.sleep function works. And to just check the exact functioning and try to understand it in a more lucid manner, let's put in some print statements and let's type in something like the exam starts now. And now if I run this, as you can see, first it says the exam starts now, then the execution is stopped and the program simply sleeps in for 4 seconds. That means it literally does nothing, and then finally the last print statement is executed and says the exam ends now. So basically the time.sleep function is simply used to stop execution of the Python code for a current period of time. The time.sleep function really doesn't have any great application, while it could only be used maybe while creating a simple fun game using the Python file. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinons YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, you can drop them down in the comment section. And we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.